Really don't want to pinch my hand in there. There we go. Still gonna keep that underneath there just to be safe. It's not doing anything right now, the stand, but if the car decides to fall, it's gonna fall on the stand and not on the ground. The pry bar in here, and I'm gonna drop it down. As you can see, the coil spring is gonna break loose, so that's what we're doing right now. So it's preferred you have two guys doing this, but we're trying to do this as one because that's all we have. So. There we go. As you can see, it wasn't easy, but it's doable. And I got this stick. This goes into the wheel well, basically pressing down on the caliper, giving me some leverage. You can see it's almost going in. Let's see if it works. I'm not gonna lie, that wasn't easy, but we got it done. Alright, so we're back at it for the other side. We'll get this thing done now. Drag the car up to drop the suspension. Until it's completely suspended on its own. Little trick we learned yesterday was the stick. Okay. So we were able to suspend the suspension system down and put the stick on the caliper. Alright, you can see it's already loose. There we go. Repositioning the stick allows me to go lower with the spring. There we go. Not easy, but the trick is to show you that it is possible to do it with one guy. That's it.